Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet powerful form of exercise, walking. Trust me, it's not just a stroll in the park. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of walking for fitness. First off, walking is a fantastic low-impact exercise that's suitable for all fitness levels. It's easy on the joints, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of age or physical condition. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that walking at a brisk pace can burn almost as many calories as jogging? It's true, you can achieve a great cardiovascular workout just by putting one foot in front of the other. And here's a little twist to up the ante, rucking. It's like walking, but with a weighted backpack. This adds an extra challenge, helping to build strength and endurance. Plus, you get the added bonus of feeling like a fitness explorer. Now, let's talk about gear. Investing in a good pair of walking shoes is essential. They provide proper support and cushioning, ensuring a comfortable and safe walking experience. And now, a little joke to lighten the mood. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Remember, a good laugh is a great way to boost those endorphins. Beyond the physical benefits, walking is a powerful tool for mental well-being. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, while boosting mood and creativity. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a walk. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Whether it's during your lunch break or a morning stroll, find a routine that works for you. There you have it, folks. Walking for exercise is a fantastic way to boost your fitness and overall well-being. Lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep walking and stay active.